Hey guys, it's me, Cheeseburger, back with another video on BTD and Snowbird Gaming on the club. Boom, like that. Okay. I'll see you when we're in a video. Okay guys, we're in a match. Sorry for saying video, not match. It's on club, like I said. And I disconnected. Maybe I will start it when we're decently into a match. Okay lads, we're back in. And we're doing it. Let's go. Don't get well. Now let's send in some more eco. Let's just start doing this one. I think I should delete this guy and make it more safe. Sounds like I'm really gonna say it. Oh, boom. You just send anything, guys. If you set up my bear to do that, I would laugh if these guys get so far. I'll laugh if these guys beat him. Oh, they're getting quite far. They're getting quite far, though. Decently. Yes. Oh. 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 Go down here. Who's gonna beat? Who's gonna win? Ah! Oh, 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 spin ladies. Oh, who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Oh, and that guy. Oh, who's gonna win? Oh, who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? I loved it. Just exposed my friends. Dang it. It's only you. Ah! Give me all that doff. Yeah, man, all that doff. Oh, yeah. So whatever. Place down whoever I want down. Ah, that's really cool. I want to see him pick it. Owen! Should I do a magic trick? Okay, so I'll put down. You see that sucker in my left bottom corner? I'll upgrade it. Oh, and then one of my helicopters will make it magically disappear and go to the other side of the screen. Look at this. Oh my god. No. So I'll get the super monkey and put it next to the pond, whatever you want to call it. Look. Oh wait. Look at this. Oh my god. Let's do it again. Oh my god, how is he doing it? Oh. Okay. So, you guys all see the sucker that I'm about to put down. He's about to go next to. Where shall I put it? Where shall I put it? Snubber Gaming. Where shall I put it? Which end? Okay. There. Oh. Oh my god. How did that just happen? I can laugh at that. Now. Oh, I'm moving it again. Where am I going to put it this time? Right. There. Look how much are there. Is that what? This happened to me last time. Look, it looks like there's like millions underneath it. There's literally millions underneath it. Let's put a temple here. Oh, I can't afford it. Wow, great job. Now I'm gonna do some work. Let's get it cover. It's not a song though. Look how much health I've got. Do it. Oh. Bum, 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 bum. I use the pinks. Let's get this. Boom. Get some Helps me out. Good. I've got 8k. I've got 8k. I know. What's happening? I'm gonna have to move something. I'm not. Select the tower. I don't want to. Yeah, boom thanks. Yeah, look how much health I've got. Yay! I got so much health. You see how much? Woo! Get out of my way, yo. That's what it is. Nearly got 1k health. I'm so close. Let's get some good. Yeah, I think you've got it. Yeah. No, come on, get as much health as possible. I'm clicking off. Yeah, got 1k. Yeah. Guys, I think we got it. Suck it in, guys. Boom. Boom. Come on, use a phoenix. Phoenix. Yes! Yes, my health! No! Dang it! Oh, that was good. If you guys like this video, goodbye. Well, like, subscribe, and comment down below what you would like me to do in the next video. Goodbye.